All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we are staying somewhere. This is the last of the 3 All-Star resorts that we've never stayed at. So today we're staying at the All-Star Music Resort. We actually ended up in a preferred room on the first floor, and it is a king bed, which is something we don't typically get. They offered it to us and asked us if we want it. We said sure. So let's take a look around and show you guys. So again, as we open the door and take a look around here, the first thing that really sticks out to me with this room is the lack of decor in here. As you see, the walls are basically white. The only decoration in terms of paintings or artwork or anything like that is the headboard there over the bed. The king bed is centered in the room, and so that's, you know, I guess it just kind of is what it is. It would be nice if it was maybe pushed over and you could have this extra space here. But anyway, so the headboard lights do flip on and off right here with this switch. So each side has its own switch. So I'm gonna turn that back on so you guys can see. As we look down here, you'll see you have just regular USB ports right there, and then a couple standard outlets. You have your phone there, little place to, little cubby to put things, chargers, that kind of stuff, I guess. Phone if you wanted to at night. The other thing that you have here underneath the bed is room to put your luggage, so that's always nice and something that they typically do now with their new rooms. If you look over here to the left, the only light, there's no overhead light or fan or anything. The main switch, when you walk in the door, turns that light on and off. And then you have this shelf right here. It's basically just, you know, 3 shelves. We've already kind of set up in a little bit, but you have your ice box right there. Then you have your coffee maker. It just makes single cups of coffee, all that standard stuff there. That's just the Joffrey's Resort blend. What else do they have in here? Nothing. Nope, it's empty. So you do have an extra shelf right there. And then, of course, you have a cooler, and as you see, we're stocked up on Coke Zeros. So as we make our way forward, to the left right here on the ground, that's where your trash is at. You really don't have a table in here per se. You can move this around if you wanted to, but that's almost more of a desk type space, I guess. Again, I think that's one of those things where if they moved the bed over, they could have put a table here, but that's not what they chose to do. And then of course you have your dresser area and TV. Now it's not the biggest of dresser areas. You have your 3 drawers there. And then you have your couple extra shelves. Whoops, it won't stay open. A couple extra shelves and your safe right there. Now, being that this room typically is for 2 people, you're not going to need as big a dresser anyway. And so now we're gonna get to the bathroom. Now this is probably the part of it that I found most unique. When you walk into the bathroom, it's kind of, I don't know if the video shows it very well, but it's kind of on like an angle. So you can see the tile on the floor. So you have a little bit of extra space here. All this stuff looks, you know, fairly updated. You do have hand soap and body lotion and pumps, and not the little squirt bottles that you typically get. So that's nice. You have your hair dryer, your iron right there, your ironing board, another little shelf up there. And then of course you have your hangers and things right here. So it's not a large space, but for 1 or 2 people, it's fine. Over here, the bathroom area, the toilet and the shower area is actually a little more spacious than most of the value resort rooms. Again, there's not any decor or anything. It's just more or less painted this green color. And in the shower, standard as well. Everything used to have the pumps for the body wash, the conditioner, and the shampoo. And then over here, you have that kind of waterfall head stuck out. And of course, there's a string there for you to pull across and hang stuff up if you want to. Sliding glass doors, take care of that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. This is probably the most dialed down room in terms of decor and decoration and things that I've seen in a Disney hotel room. If it wasn't for that headboard, there would be no Disney decor. And then, oh, also over here, I forgot on the other side of the bed, they do have the Hey Disney, which is their version, obviously, of Alexa. We don't ever use it, but I know some people might and like it. So that's really about it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy about it, but it'll get the job done. So if you have any questions about the room or the resort, please don't ever hesitate to reach out. You can leave those in the comments below. And if you got something out of this room tour, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy Disney content. and cruise content, which is primarily what we do. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.